Hi, boys and girls. It is the creator of Bored with Miss Reynolds, Better Off Reading Every Day. And if I got a good one for you, it is called Red Truck. Red Truck. And this book is by Kirsten Hamilton, illustrated by Valerina Petroni. Red Truck. Red truck is a tow truck, a work truck, not a show truck. Ringing, falling rain, melting snow, a rising creek, our bus won't go. Start up red truck. Can red truck make it up the hill? Red truck can, red truck will. Zoom, zoom. Other trucks can't cross the mud. Red truck tried, red truck could. Slipping, sliding down the slope, red truck is our only hope. Hurry, red truck, hurry. Hooks are on, chains are tight. Pull, red truck, with all your might. Downshift, pedal floored, tires spin, red truck roars. Splishy splashy, wet, hooray, our hero for a rainy day. And that is the end of Is Red Truck. Hooray, red truck saves the day. My favorite page, of course, will be Splishy splashy, wet, hooray, our hero for a rainy day. And there's all the kids by their school bus getting rescued by red truck. Hooray! Boys and girls, it is Bored with Miss Reynolds, Better Off Reading Every Day. I don't own the rights to this book that I have read to you, but I love storytelling magic. And the magic of today's story is when I saw this truck that a friend of mine has, I knew I had to bring red truck to you because this truck is absolutely unstoppable, just like red truck, always here to save the day. I hope you can see it. I hope you can see it. I will pull it up close. Take a look at this. From all angles. And you can tell based on my size that this red truck is full of surprise, just like this one. I hope you love the story, boys and girls, as much as I did, because guess what? Red truck is here, just like Miss Reynolds, to save your day. I'll see you again really soon. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. You hear those woodpeckers? They are a pecking away, but they can't get red truck. No, they can't.